What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I'm reviewing Black Girl Magic's hair, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, I don't know if you can tell because I keep planning it, but this is my favorite wig for the whole year. Like, wrap it up, everybody else. This is my favorite wig for the whole year. It's so pretty, and I love the thickness and the curl pattern, and now I just want curly hair for the rest of the year. So yeah, everybody else, get out of my face. Keep watching to see how I installed this. I used a new glue system today, so keep watching to find out more about them. And yeah, keep watching to just see what I did to get it to look like this. By the way, I didn't say it at the end, so I'm gonna say now. This is all the hair to the front, so this is how thick it's looking. But yeah, this is like, okay, we're gonna have to work with them again, because if this is the first wig they sent me, like, imagine the next one and the next one. Okay, this is so pretty, y'all. Like, I love this hair. But yeah, keep watching if you guys are interested in the styling and installing process, and let me know down below what y'all think, as always. But keep watching if you're interested. All right, y'all, so we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm starting by putting the wig on my head just so I can measure it and cut the ear tabs off. I use my razor for this, but y'all know I hate the razor, so I recommend scissors, but I couldn't find my scissors at this time. So yeah, I just cut a space so my ears could fit comfortably into the wig. And even then, I had to cut more later, but this is just how I started. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation and put it onto my cap. I didn't do the ball cap method because I didn't feel like it and I was being lazy, but it turned out just as good. So you better believe I'm not doing the ball cap method next time or the time after that. To install my wig today, I'm using Leelee Beauty Empire's whole lace installation system. You'll see that's the only products I use today on anything, including during the styling part, but stay tuned for that. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the glue and I'm just going all the way across my hairline. We're gonna do 3 coats eventually, but just taking 1 coat at a time. This is our first coat, and I'm spreading it with a popsicle stick, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. Make sure it's spread evenly, and make sure none of the glue is like collecting in one part of your hair. You're gonna see I have to come back and touch that one part where it got on my hair because I put it way too thick over there. So you're just gonna blow dry it. The goal is to get it clear, not white, not a little bit white. See how I'm fixing it because it's too thick? But yeah, you want it clear before you apply your next layer. So here we are going in with my next layer. This layer is a little thinner for me usually, just because I know I tend to overuse the glue on the first layer. So yeah, doing the same thing, spreading with a popsicle stick all the way across my hairline. And then we're just gonna blow dry it till it's clear. If you guys notice, mine isn't clear at any time. It's just gonna be like some white spots in it because I was sweating during this video because I was doing a bunch of things at once while trying to film. But yeah, that's why mine is a little bit white. But yeah, here I am tinting my lace. I'm just using my foundation, the same foundation that I used on my cap. See right here, I'm doing my 3rd layer, and you can see there's clearly some white, but it's dry, but it doesn't look like it because the sweat turns the glue white, which is why I recommend being comfortable while you're installing your wig, but I was not this time. But yeah, so for the 3rd layer, you just want to do it in sections. Our first section is at the very top. I blow dried it till it was clear, and then I installed the lace onto that. If y'all saw my boyfriend come on the camera, just ignore him. I don't know what we were doing, but yeah, so I'm gonna install my left side the exact same way, combing it into the glue, and then the same with the right side, the popsicle stick, and blow drying it and installing the lace. I don't know if y'all could tell by my face, but I have an attitude because I feel like my wig wasn't gonna stick because of the fact that the wig is already too small. But yeah, so I'm cutting the little ear tabs off once again to make it fit smooth on both sides after I glue them down. You'll see I'm holding down both sides because I'm just trying to make sure it's set. Don't mind my boyfriend. Once again, I don't know what we're doing, but look how I look like I hate him, but it's just, I was so aggravated, y'all. But anyways, here I am tied down my hair. I waited about 10-15 minutes and then I untied it. And my lace was laid flat. And I was feeling better, even though it did dry with some white areas, but the foundation took care of that, as you'll see in a second. So I'm just cutting my lace off so we can start working on fixing it, touching it up, and styling the hair. But yeah, here I'm taking the same brush I used on my cap and my wig lace, and I'm just using the leftover product on that brush to tint it. But yeah, then we're doing our part. We're taking Leelee Beauty Empire's wax stick and we're just gonna wax the part so that it lays flat. Her wax stick feels different than the ones I've used before because it's much harder and kind of it feels heavier, but it got my hair so flat. And I don't know if it's the wax stick or my new hot comb. Just know my hair got flatter than it's ever been before. So I don't know, but I do like the wax stick, I'll say that. But yeah, so then we're gonna hot comb that down. You see I took out my baby hairs. I don't even need to say that, but we're gonna take out more in a second. I'm just hot combing everything. You see how flat it's getting up with one pass. A lot of that it's a combination of the hair quality, the hot comb, and the wax stick, but they just work so good together. So yeah, right here you see I'm taking out more baby hairs because I did a whole hairline of baby hairs. I'm gonna try to put the name of this hot comb down below because I know y'all can see it's kind of fancy, but my last one just broke. Of course, they always break, and this is my newest one, and she was $30, but it's worth it. You see how fancy it is? You can adjust the temperature, and I've never had a hot comb like that, so I definitely like it. But yeah, so now we're gonna cut our baby hairs and start styling them with Eco Styler. I decided to do them Instagram baby hairs, you know, arrogant taste style, because I felt extra, and as soon as my hair started working out for me, you know I took advantage, girl. I was feeling very much excited that my hair was working out, because for a second there, didn't look like it was going to. But I'm not even going to talk y'all through the baby hairs. I'm going to just let y'all watch, because it's the same thing every time, and it's really no way to explain it in words. You just have to watch, so. Okay, so once that's done, this is how my baby hairs are looking on both sides. They look very clean and beautiful. So yeah, I'm tying them down with my favorite scarf that I use in every video. And while those are tied down, we're just gonna go ahead and start styling the rest of the hair. So I'm taking my spray bottle, it's just water in here, and we're gonna kind of dampen the hair on both sides. After this step, we're going in with Leelee Beauty styling foam. It's called the clutch foam, and I'm just gonna put that on both sides of my hair. My camera will cut out in a second, but what you see me doing to this one side, I also did to the other side, and then I just let it dry and I came back on camera in a second. But this product smells so delicious. I don't even know what it smells like. Y'all have to just buy it. It smells so good. But yeah, here I am coming back. My hair dried, my edges dried. I'm feeling myself clearly, and then I touched up my lace with makeup to get rid of any light areas, and then I also took my hot comb and kind of touched up that. So now we're going in with Leelee Beauty Empire's Clutch Mist, and it's a heat protectant, but it's also like a shining spray. So I used it for shine in this hair, and I love the results, and I'm never going back because I didn't even know how much of a difference that would make in my pictures, and it just did so good in front of my ring light. So I like that, and it made my hair look hydrated and not dry. But yeah, I did that on both sides, and then smoothed it in with my hands, and then that was literally the end of the entire install. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair came out. I'm completely done. Like, I did everything. At the end, I used Leelee Beauty Empire's Clutch Mist. Y'all, I've never seen anybody sell nothing like this. It's like a heat protectant, but it's for shine. I'm gonna use it for shine probably. And it left my hair just like looking finished. Like, you know, when you leave like the salon, their hair be looking shiny and like moisturized and wet. It gave me that. It did it without like making it look oily or nothing crazy, so I like that. So yeah, as y'all can see, I tried them little Instagram baby hairs because I was feeling myself. I felt very confident once I had the hair on, but during the install process, I was getting irritated because I didn't feel like it was gonna stick. I wouldn't call this wig big head friendly. It's tight. It don't feel tight no more, but during the install, it was hard trying to get the wig to go ear to ear. But the glue that I used was so sticky that it was able to stick down just enough for me to wrap it, and then once I wrapped it and it's set, it's not moving nowhere. It don't feel tight no more, so that's a plus. I'm just glad it fit because I actually didn't feel like it was gonna fit for a second, but it fit. And in the wig's defense, my hair is in a ponytail and it needs to be redone. It's like very much not sleek. It's very puffy, so yeah, it's not completely the wig's fault. But yeah, as far as everything else, honestly, I want to give this hair like a 20 out of 10. I literally am obsessed. Like the lace, the curls, the thickness, like come on, I love this hair. It's so pretty, and I don't even get excited about her no more, as y'all know, because I always do them. But this one, I'm excited to like go somewhere. I don't even got nowhere to go, so I'm kind of mad, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I love the curl pattern, and I was scared that it was gonna be like really skinny, narrow waves. But no, girl, this thing get big. Like, look how big it gets. On top of that, they have like cute packaging. You see Black Girl Magic hair. This is definitely not a black owned business, so I just want everybody to be aware of that, even though the name's Black Girl Magic. But anyways, y'all. So yeah, then they send their little thank you card with the code for money off and like, you know, cash back and all that stuff. And then they send lashes, of course, and I think that might be like the last pair we're gonna collect for our hair company lash video that we're doing. I think that's the last pair we need, so we're gonna use theirs as well. But yeah, they sent, that's all they sent. And then they sent a wig cap, so I have that on right now, as y'all saw. I didn't use no ball cap method or nothing, and it looks so pretty. But yeah, as far as the hair, I'm gonna give it like a 2,000 out of 10 because I'm obsessed with it and it's super cute. And I can't wait to show my boyfriend because I know he likes curly hair. I let him pick my part today, so I did a side part. Y'all know I'm a middle part type of bitch, but today we did a side part because it's cute. Let me know down below what y'all think of this hair. I'm feeling it, and I hope I get to take pictures, but the way my week has been going, I'm not even gonna have time to take cute pictures, so I'm gonna show y'all as many as I can. But if I do take any, they're gonna be on my Instagram at It's Pretty My. So definitely don't forget to follow me on there. And yeah, Like, comment, and subscribe to join the Pretty gang, and press the notification bell to get notified anytime I make a post. But with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.